SPOD Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to SPOD and related resources can be found in the description below. SPOD is a print-on-demand platform specifically designed for e-commerce entrepreneurs seeking efficient, no-inventory solutions for custom apparel, accessories, and more. One of its standout features is the lightning-fast production time, often within 48 hours, which can be a game-changer for sellers who want to keep customers happy with quick deliveries. SPOD integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, automating everything from product creation to shipping. You can easily upload designs and preview them on a broad range of items, from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and totes, allowing you to diversify your offerings without taking on additional risk. Additionally, SPOD supports branding elements such as custom labels and packaging inserts for store owners aiming to reinforce their brand identity. In terms of strengths, SPOD's domestic production, with facilities in the US and Europe, helps reduce shipping times and costs, especially for North American and EU customers. Its user-friendly interface and quick design tool make creating new products remarkably straightforward, so you can focus on marketing and engagement. Moreover, SPOD's shipping rates are transparent and often competitive, which can help you maintain solid profit margins. Another plus is that the platform's reliability and speed in fulfilling orders give entrepreneurs confidence in scaling, as fewer customers will complain about slow shipping or inconsistent quality. If you're not a seasoned designer, SPOD's gallery of ready-made clip art and fonts can also spark ideas for unique designs. However, some weaknesses should be noted. While SPOD excels in quick fulfillment, it doesn't offer as extensive a product catalog as some competitors, especially if you're looking for niche items like footwear or complex all-over prints. International shipping times can lengthen if customers live outside SPOD's main production zones. You'll also need to manage product descriptions, SEO, and brand storytelling on your end, as SPOD focuses primarily on printing and fulfillment rather than marketing. Lastly, if your storefront is on a less common e-commerce platform, you may have to rely on manual processes or a third-party integration to use SPOD effectively. Overall, SPOD is an excellent choice for store owners who prioritize rapid production times, straightforward customization, and robust integrations with mainstream e-commerce platforms. Its speed, reliability, and solid domestic shipping options can significantly boost customer satisfaction, making SPOD well worth considering for your print-on-demand dropshipping needs.